how to see the path by giving the transaction code in SAP. So for suppose we are going to see after login to the system, I want to log in the system and I will show freshly. Yes, here this is login is there. I'm in S/4HANA I'm doing. So by giving the user ID and password, I want to log into the system. If you see here, this is the screen which appears in front of in front like SAP Easy Access screen. This is used by the end users. If the person who doesn't know the path, if he knows the transaction code, by using this transaction code, how he has to search the path is the thing I would like to discuss today. If you see here, search underscore SAP underscore menu. Just enter. If you want to see the path like FB50, yes. If you see here, search for the transaction code or menu title. So if you see here, these are the nodes, transaction codes, FB50. So this is the path. Accounting, you have to come from bottom to top. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document type, enter GL account document. So I want to open the new screen and I will show you the path by going by this way. Like you can choose accounting, financial accounting, general ledger. If you see here top to bottom, like bottom to top, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, accounting, document entry. Yes. So here if you see here FB50 enter GL document type. This is the path. So I will show you by the path how the transaction goes. So now you can see the path. I want to close it again. I want to show you general ledger accounting, reporting, not reporting, like you can go with this accounting. And if you want to see anything else like accounts payable, you can go document entry. FB60 is the transaction code. So what we have to do is like you have to go again, have to go with this search underscore SAP underscore menu, press enter. So you have to give the transaction code here. If you know the transaction code, if you want to see the path, this is the way you can see. For everything it won't be, some extent you can show like this. Vendor invoice, we have to see the path. How you can go with the vendor invoice path? Means like this is the one. Accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry and invoice. So if you go and see here in SAP, you have to come back, accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry is the invoice. If you see from top, bottom to top, accounting, financial accounting, account payable, document and invoice, this is the path you can follow like this. So this is the way to find the path. By knowing the T code, you can go with the transaction. You can come back again. So you come back again and you just minimize it. You just all minimize it, and this is the thing which appears like easy access screen. If the user knows the T code and if you want to know the path, he just go with the transaction. Like he in transaction posting here, he can use the search underscore SAP underscore menu. So after that, press enter, and he can give over here how the path will be like. We can see. Yes, if you want to display the balances, you can go with the accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, account display balances. Likewise, you can go with the path and you can see like same like. Just go with the accounting, financial accounting. If you go and see here, accounting, financial account, general ledger, there will be general ledger and account account display balances FBL03. This is the path. So you can see the path by knowing the T code. You can see like this. This is the way to see the